And this is
Chef Ninja Ian.
Ninja Ian.
And this is my little paper sidekick. Ice cream go.
I don't know. So, as you can see, we got new aprons. Thank you, Mom.
And I got a bandana. And my sister here got an ice cream bandana.
Ice cream bandana? I don't know. So, as you can know, our mom, she's not just teaching us how to cook,
She's also teaching us
how to sew, how to knit, and
So if they want to see or they want to learn or they want to know how to make aprons, they can let us know and we can show them how so they can make their own aprons.
And also, bandanas are very simple.
Yes.
so now we hope to bring part of our world into your kitchen.
And today
We're making overnight oats. And we're showing you how to make them different ways with different fruits. So,
and they're very healthy. And also, we're using chia seeds. Chia seeds are very good for your immune system.
and they have zinc and omega-3, I think.
Fiber.
No, fiber. Yes,
Omega-3
fiber.
too.
Yes,
Yeah.
they're pretty good for you.
Also, you don't have to buy zinc now. It's in chia seeds. Just make overnight oats.
Yummy.
Yep.
So now the kitchen was. Hi-ya!
Okay, so the kitchen rules are: make sure you wash your hands, your working areas clean, have adult supervision. Never turn on a stove without adult supervision because you can burn yourself, and that's bad. But the most important rule of the kitchen is
To learn how to be a ninja. Hiya! 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 Yes, sir.
okay. That's just weird, Ian. Okay, bye, Chef Ian.
I'm
Ninja
ninja.
Ian. I don't know. So let's try it again. The most important rule of the kitchen is
Ninja safety first.
BAM! So now let's
Get ninja
for our mango coconut flavored overnight oats.
So we're gonna need half a cup of milk.
You can use coconut milk, cow's milk, or almond milk, or soy milk, or any milk actually.
Whichever milk that you prefer. 1/4 a cup of mango.
And,
And
then
then
1
one
tablespoon of sugar-free vanilla,
Pudding.
just a tablespoon. It automatically turns yellow. And then these are for later. Wait, you have to move everything away.
Right.
Carefully.
Carefully.
Oh, and our mason jar is 60 ounces, right?
16.
16 ounces.
So
I'm gonna hold it.
you have to press that.
So our mango mixture is done being mixed.
And you can also do it in the blender,
Blender.
if you want. So
Yes.
now we're just gonna carefully, slowly pour it into our mason jar.
Spatula, scoop it out. Okay, that's good. So now we're gonna measure our chia seed and our oats.
1 tablespoon
Of
of
chia seed
chia seed.
and 1/3 cup of oats. And this is enough to get us full, but if you want to add more, you can.
Great teamwork. Is that one gonna be for me?
No, it's for me because I made it.
We can
So-
still make more.
So
Oh,
now I'm
Johnny.
gonna mix it with my balloon whisk.
Nice. Okay, so now what do we have to do?
So now you're gonna put it in your fridge and leave it overnight, and in the morning you have a to-go meal.
But you have to close it.
So now just set it aside into your fridge, and that's it. The raspberry one.
This one. This is how it looks. As you can see, the milk and the cheeses are on top,
And the oats.
and the oats, and the strawberries are on the bottom because we did not mix it like the other one.
Yeah.
So this is the other way we can do it.
That's actually the one I like. So I can just have all my hold it.
I'm trying to hold it for you.
I like to have the oats and the chia seed, and then your strawberries are there. So when you eat it,
You just mix
you
it.
can just mix everything together, and it just makes it fun. But of course, you can do it whatever way you like, and they're still delicious. So
Did Ian just eat a
Ian is eating our fruit, so we should get going before he eats it all.
Yep. So we're gonna need 2/4 cup of raspberries.
It's around like what, like 10 raspberries?
Yeah, it's around 10 raspberries, right?
How much do you put in each?
I really don't know. I just put
It's like 10. You can count them.
Let's see. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, 10.
Woohoo!
And
if you want to add more raspberries, you can add more, like the mango. If you want to eat more mango, but Ian, what he likes is pour all the mango on the top and eat it.
you know, hold the bowl.
Because when you put the mangoes on top, it gives it more flavors.
Yes.
So sorry guys, I forgot the honey. So now we're gonna put our honey. You can either put erythro or sugar. Yeah, we don't like to put sugar. We put honey.
Yeah, that's what we prefer.
Ooh, too much honey. Too much honey.
Looks like blood.
It's okay.
Looks like blood with seeds.
That's just weird, but still tastes amazing. Raspberry. So now we're gonna pour it in our jar. Go on in, my little raspberry.
Fly, fly like a bird, fly. No, jump like a. Woo! Come on, you're almost gonna make it. Come on.
Okay.
I think that's good. Now we're gonna need our chia seed, our milk, and our oats again. Milk, half a cup. Take it away again. 1 tablespoon of oats. Oats. Chia seed.
That does not look like oat.
Put that over there. And 1/3 cup our oats. Boom. Good. So now we're gonna pour it with a scoop into
Slowly and carefully, so it could end up like that.
Put it in carefully. Do blueberry. No, half a cup of milk.
Yeah.
Okay. Move away this thing. Over here.
1/3 cup of blueberries.
You can add more if you like, Ian.
Ooh, yay.
That's enough, that's enough. Just a little more, it's fine. Our point, there's really no rule. And when you make them, it's your taste. What is what you like?
You can add any fruit, even banana.
Yes, we will mix them
we're
with
gonna do the
banana.
Yeah, that's right. And you can mix fruits too. Strawberry, blueberry, blueberry, banana.
mango,
Banana.
raspberry.
Banana. Tastes pretty good. Did you get it all?
Yep.
Okay.
Listos? Eileen, you need to help Ian.
Oh, yeah.
There you go. You gotta press the top button first, and then you turn it on.
Wow! It's purple!
Keep it inside. Keep it inside. Alrighty. So we're ready?
Yep. Okay, ready to pour it in?
No mess.
Mess free.
Wonderful.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
You poured it a little too fast, Ian.
Chia seed.
And
yes, look
Okay, when we measure our spoons, we need to make sure it's
They're
a
full.
spoon.
Not-
When you remove it with your finger, just be careful not to remove extra. Yeah. Okay, now you can pour it into your blueberry oats.
It was Chia first.
Does it really matter how we put it?
No, it doesn't really matter. Your
Either way, you're
spatula
gonna
is
mix
there.
it.
Yes.
It only matters that you put it in there.
And then you learn how to make yourself a meal.
Extra honey.
Honey bunny.
Oh, this one's gonna be good. I feel like we have made this oatmeal before.
Of course we
Of
have.
course we have, Ian. It's overnight oats. So we have to wait overnight.
You make Ninja sad.
Oh, Ian.
What's that? What's that? Oh wait, it's right in front of me.
Oh, okay, so we're ready for the next flavor.
Yay!
Okay.
Okay, show me how that one looks.
Wicca, wicca.
Okay, let's put it on the fridge.
So now we're gonna do the banana one. So we're gonna need half a banana.
We're gonna need 1 tablespoon of sugar-free banana pudding
And half a cup of leche.
Again, you could use any type of milk.
We're using almond milk.
Yes,
Almond milk.
you can use whatever milk you want to.
And blending time. Hold it still, Ian. I think that's good already.
Yes.
It's impressive. Very good.
I think you're getting better and better at using my stuff.
You putting this thing up. You have to have muscles for that.
Okay, let's pour it in here.
Slowly, slowly.
Slowly.
Move your hand, baby boy. Oh, that looks so delicious.
Just to clarify, the raspberry one is for me, right?
No,
I
that
thought
is
you
for
said you
me.
wanted the mango
I
one.
thought you said you wanted mango.
Fine, I'll take mango and blueberry.
Now, again, the chia seed, a tablespoon, and third oats. Full. Haha, I got to the oats before you did.
I don't want to fully put the oats. I want to just see tiny.
And the coconuts. Coconut flakes. Coconut flakes. I forgot.
Oh, la coconut. Never mind, let me put this in a better way.
Cute, Ian.
What do you call a pig that knows karate?
Karate pig.
Pork chop.
That is a good one.
Yep, Ian. Good one.
What was it?
Okay, now let's close it and put it in the fridge again.
I don't remember.
Okay, so we put it in the fridge now?
Yep.
Alrighty. So that's the one that had the fruit in the bottom, and then we put the chia and the oatmeals on the top, right?
Yep.
Looks amazing. Let me see. Wow, it looks so delicious.
I cannot.
I love it.
I already mixed this one. I'm gonna do it. You can put whatever fruits, almonds, coconut flakes.
And this is the second way that you could do it for strawberry.
Oh yes, we mix the strawberry with the milk, and then we just add everything else.
Yep.
And the one Eileen is fixing
the one that had the strawberry,
and first, and then we added
the chia seed, and the oats on the top.
Then we put
Let the strawberries.
some raspberries. Uno. Dos.
So which one is Ian eating?
Strawberry.
Strawberry with some raspberries.
And strawberries.
Of course, it's called strawberry.
Oh, Eileen is adding some sliced almonds.
Ready?
Se mira rico. Déjame ver, Eileen.
I'm just gonna put a few. Voila.
Wow, it looks delicious. And you can eat it warm or you can eat it cold. Nice, Ian. Okay, so let's taste it.
Let's see. I'm gonna put some fruit in here too.
Perfect breakfast on the go.
Uh-huh.
Perfect for school lunch. I like it on my lunch.
You can really taste the strawberry and the chia seed.
And the chia seeds help you to get full.
Yep.
Oh
So
wait,
good.
they help you get full. I can't eat another one.
No, you cannot eat more. Those are gonna be for me.
I don't want you to eat all of them. So, this is your overnight oatmeal. You can add whatever flavors you want. Banana, strawberry, blueberry.
Fruits, whatever fruit they want.
And have fun. And
Enjoy.
So, we hope you guys enjoyed this amazing overnight oat recipe. It gives you a lot of energy, gets you full quickly, for sure. Right, Ian?
Yep.
So, it's amazing. So now, bye! Make sure you subscribe, give us a big thumbs up, and ring the bell.